Today, we're looking at how to use a theme to drive footfall from social media. Here we've got the Theatre Cafe UK, and as you can see, they're always publicising all of the great theatre shows that they've got going on, and they're really good on social media. However, one of the things that I wanted to show you is actually this. So they've used a theme, which is actually if you have kids or maybe you just love Frozen. Most people would know the really famous song by Kristen Bell on Frozen, Love is an Open Door. And then what they've chosen to do is to showcase that their Love is an Open Doreo, which is their new Oreo milkshake. And they're saying that you can pop into the Theatre Cafe and try a new shake, and you actually don't have to be a member of the theatre. You don't have to have bought tickets. You literally just pop into the theatre. Now let's have a look and show and have a talk about what this is about.
Finish each other. That's what I was gonna say. Thinks so much like me. Chicks again. To think organization can have but one explanation. You and I were just meant to be. Say goodbye. I mean, it's crazy.
So, yes, that song is Love is an Open Door. It's by Frozen. They're clearly publicising the Frozen musical, but they're also publicising their brand new shake, which is an Oreo shake. They are showcasing it in the best possible way by showing how it's actually made. They're making people laugh and smile by using like a really fun play on words. It's a theme clearly, and they're letting you know that you can, love is an open Doreo. They've even put it in there, and then they're just saying pop by the Theatre Cafe. So they're telling you what they want you to do. They want you to pop into the Theatre Cafe, try one of their brand new shakes, and they're using the theme of Frozen as a bit of a kind of tongue-in-cheek joke, if you like, to try and entice people down. Now, this is brilliant in so many ways because it's a great way of showing the diversity of the theatre, because you're welcome to come to the cafe without attending. It's a popular song with all the ages. Everyone knows Frozen at the very least. It's a fun, exciting drinks. People get to try the new and different food and drinks in the quirky cafe. The Freak Shake is a great way to get people in the door, and it kind of encourages people to tag friends maybe that might also enjoy the drink. So I think that it's a really good way of trying to encourage people down, because as you can see, look, people have tagged in their friends. People saying, genius marketing, it looks delicious, that's so good. See you soon, we've got an appointment in October. People have absolutely loved it. So if you have, I suppose it's the idea that any business can do something like this. It's about theming it around something, whether it's, whether it's around a sports theme, or whether it's around a local one, or whether it's around a song, whatever it might be. The more you link it up, the more that people are going to be more interested in it, and at the very least click on it. And that's what this is. It stops you scrolling and makes you want to click in to find out more about it. Now, if I was a Theatre Cafe, I would want to understand how my social media is working to make it work even better. So I would go to my dashboard on Maybe, and then here it would be the Theatre Cafe UK, but then on the other side, it might be, say, the Theatre Royal in Plymouth. It might be another, cafe, for example. And what you can do is then compare your best post of the week with their best post and start to understand, well, actually, are they getting more engagement than me? Why do I think that is? And you can start to compare results and improve. Then, of course, you can see all of their stats versus your stats. You can see what's working for them versus you. You can see their hashtags to, again, see if you've got any ideas. And look, you can even copy them and then start using them. You see how people feel about you to understand sentiment. You see who's got influence in the conversation, whether it's maybe other stars of the musicals or whether maybe it's local customers. And you want to start engaging with the people that are influencing with you. And then you can even see what people are saying about you and what people are saying about them to start comparing. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button. We love to help.